Hey everybody, welcome to Mercy's Virtual Craft Camp. Today we are going to be making some DIY masks. So what your mask will look like, you've got this nice spot that will come over your nose, and you have your ear hooks so it covers your mouth and your nose like so. It even has a pocket because it's a sock, so if you wanted extra filtration you could put a paper towel in here. Or a coffee filter, you could just push it in there. That way you have some extra safety. Just remember, if you're wearing a mask, it's protecting other people, but it's not going to prevent you from getting sick. But it is a good safety measure for the sake of others. So be considerate and wear a mask when you go out. These are just really weird times for us. But this is quick and easy. You may or may not already have a mask, but you probably have a cute pair of socks. These are not really so cute, but at least they're clean, and they were socks that I was willing to part with for now. So you'll be making a mask like so. You will have extra filtration. All right, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Super easy. So you're gonna take a sock. It doesn't have to be a super long sock like this one. This is just what I happen to have. And what you're going to do, you're gonna keep the heel pointed up for now, and we're gonna cut the toes off. That's it. Start cutting the toes off. So you need a sharp pair of scissors. Just make sure that if you're on a table and there's a tablecloth, you don't cut through the tablecloth because that might not make your parents very happy. So sharp pair of scissors, be careful with them, and you're just going to cut the toe out. And then what I did, because I haven't even measured anything, making it super easy, we're just going to fold it and then cut that same length on the other side. And you can kind of shape it up a little bit. I got a little off here, so I'm just gonna clean up the edges just a little bit. Okay, so now it looks like this, but you don't have any ear holes. So what I want you to do is put the heel in the middle. So you'll have to fold your sock a little bit differently, and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so if you're laying it flat, your heel should kind of pop up in the middle, and that's exactly what it should be doing. That's where I want you to be. So if I'm holding it to you, you can see that the heel is kind of up in the middle. All right, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut the ear holes. And in cutting the ear holes, you're gonna go about 1 inch away from the edges, so not too far. And what you'll do is you'll cut about halfway up. And make sure you have both pieces of sock, that you're not just cutting through the top piece, you're gonna cut through both the top and the bottom pieces. And again, just go halfway up. Don't cut all the way through, because then you're just gonna make a really short mask without any ear holes. So make sure you don't cut all the way through, you're just gonna cut about halfway up. All right, that's it. So what you'll do is you'll put the heel back up, and that's your nose piece. And I like it to be where the slits are in the front. So when I put it over my nose, the slits are just gonna come right back here behind my ears. And I have my nose and I have my mouth covered, and it's a sock, so it's pretty comfortable. It's a little warm. It might be a little warm for the summer, but any kind of filtration, it might make you a little warm, and that's okay. That's okay. But it's super easy sock mask. You can do it with some really, really cute ones. My next ones are going to be some yellow ones that I happen to have, and these are pencils I got on for school. But anyway, any kind of sock you have that you're willing to part with and willing to cut, because you're not going to be able to wear those on your feet again, but you've got 2 super easy do-it-yourself sock masks. You can make some for your friends. Anyway, all right, thank you very much for participating and being with me today. See you soon.